An Indian family paid 17 lakhs 50,000 rupees for their daughter's MBBS seat in Spain. Consultants promised a confirmed seat at University of Barcelona, a hostel, visa, everything taken care of. But the moment she landed in Spain, reality hit like a storm. No university admission, no hostel. She was dumped in a crambled underground dormitory with strangers. Within months, her visa expired. She had no classes, no official enrollment, no way back home. To survive, her parents spent another 8 lakhs on food and temporary accommodation. 1 full year of her life is gone. Total loss 25.5 lakhs, and the agency switched off their phones, office locked, completely vanished. Now here's the scary part. This is not an isolated case. Across India, Kerala, Mumbai, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, thousands of students are falling into the same trap. Fake consultants, false promises, foreign bank transfers, and students stranded abroad with expired visas. So if you are planning abroad, this video may literally save your life savings. Stay till the end because I will show you how these scams actually work, the red flags every parent must know, and a step-by-step checklist to verify any consultant even before paying 1 single rupee. Hi everybody, I am Sri Rohit. Welcome to Neo Mentora. If you are someone who believes that real awareness can protect thousands of dreams, you are in the right place. Here, every video is built on real stories, verified data, and one simple goal: to make sure no student or parent gets misled. So if you value truth over marketing and clarity over confusion, hit subscribe. Because staying informed here could mean saving your time, your money, and sometimes your own safety. So getting back to the video. In 2023, a family from Greater Noida approached a study abroad consultancy in Kushambi Mall, Delhi. Polished office, glossy brochures, smiling student photos, everything looked official. They were promised admission to University of Barcelona, plus visa and accommodation support. Across a few months, they transferred 17.5 lakh rupees. Some to Indian accounts, some to a bank in Poland. Told it covered tuition, hostel and visa. Then in March 2024, their daughter landed in Spain. No pickup, no university contact. A random person took her 40 minutes outside the city, straight to a crowded basement packed with bunk beds. No admission letter, no student ID, no timetable, nothing. Weeks turned into months. Her visa expired. The consultancy stopped answering the calls. By April 2025, she returned to India. 25.5 lakhs already lost. 1 academic year gone and an FIR filed. And she isn't alone. In Kerala, multiple students reported fake Armenian universities. In Mumbai, parents paid 45 lakhs for a seat that never existed. In Tamil Nadu, 32 lakhs vanished through a forged consultant. Just one case, different cities, different agents, but the same playbook. And that's where things start connecting. Because when you look closer, these aren't random frauds. It's a pattern repeating across India with frightening precision. For example, Kerala, 10 students cheated in a single year. One paid 19 lakhs for an American university that doesn't even exist. Another group was expelled mid-course because their consultant never paid the college fees. In Mumbai, families lured with direct admission under NRI quota. 45 lakhs collected. No seats, no records. Only court cases left behind. In Tamil Nadu, a fake agent posing as an official university partner, 32 lakhs gone. No trace of it. And these are just the reported ones. Investigations by Enforcement Directorate exposed more than 18,000 fake NRI quota admissions. Forged embassy letters, fake university MOUs, money routed through foreign accounts. A multi-crore network running quietly for years. It's the same trap, wearing a different name each time. And the worst part, it doesn't start abroad. It starts right here with trust. The moment someone says, "Don't worry sir, we'll handle everything," that single line has ruined thousands of dreams. Now let's break it down. How exactly do these scams work? How do they look so real until it's too late? Let's open it step by step. First, the setup. A small office in a mall or co-working space. Slick branding, foreign flags on the walls. One guy who talks like he has direct links with the European universities. Everything looks real, but behind the board and the logo, no registration, no license, no traceable tie-ups. Then comes the bait. Guaranteed admission. Low need score accepted. Limited seats, decide only. Families feel pressure. They don't want their child to lose a year. And that's exactly when they sign. Next, the money trial. Payments start small. Application fees, processing fees, then suddenly a foreign bank account appears. Sometimes Poland, sometimes Armenia or Spain. University accounts, sir, they say. No invoice, no GST. Just a PDF received with the logo lifted from Google Images. After the money is sent, they vanish into technicalities. Your admission letter is under process. Embassy delay. Documents with the translator. By the time students or parents realize something's off, they're already abroad with half-done paperwork. And that's where final trap closes. Agents hand them over to a local partners. People with zero connections to any university. These students end up in a cheap dorms or unsafe apartments with no valid admission and no legal status. Visa expires, money gone, and future is paused. What hurts most is that everything looks legit on paper. Fake stamps, fake emails, even fake Zoom calls with foreign representatives. It's not just a fraud, it's a performance. So how can you spot it before it starts? Let's talk about the 5 major red flags that every student and parent must see. Now that you know how the scams unfold, let's talk about the danger signs that appear before the money leaves your account. Most families see them, but they overlook them because of urgency and emotion. Let's go through 5 red flags every student and parent must recognize. Red flag number 1, the office illusion. They rent a small office inside a mall or shared workspace. Nice logo, world map wallpaper, a few framed certificates. But behind all that, no registration, no license, no proof of any real tie-up. If you can't verify the official university authorization, just walk out. Red flag number 2, guaranteed admission promises. 100% seat confirmed. Your NEET score doesn't matter. No genuine university ever guarantees a seat without evaluating merit. That line alone is your biggest warning. Red flag number 3, foreign money transfers. They'll ask you to send money directly to a bank account in Poland or Armenia or even Spain, calling it a university account. No invoice, no GST, just a screenshot. Always pay only to the official university account mentioned on the university's own website. Never pay to third party or consultant. Red flag number 4, invisible partners abroad. Our partner will receive your child in Europe. Sounds reassuring until you find out the partner has no office, no legal identity, and disappears once the student arrives. If you can't video verify the person abroad with a verifiable university email, it's a setup. Red flag number 5, pressure and panic tactics. Seats are almost over. Decide today or lose the chance. That false urgency is their closing trick. They rush you before you ask questions or verify documents. Remember, genuine universities never operate on panic deadlines. So, if even one of these red flags shows up, stop right there. A single pause can save you lakhs, a full year of study, and maybe your child's safety abroad. Now let's move from prevention to action. What if you're already been trapped? Here's what you must do next, step by step. First of all, stop all payments. First, stop spending any more money. Even if they say just one last transfer and they'll fix it, that's how they keep you in control. The moment you send something off, freeze all transactions. Step number 2, collect every piece of proof. Gather every document, payment receipts, screenshots, emails, chats, recorded calls, anything. You'll need these for police and embassy reports. Don't rely on WhatsApp messages alone. Back them up properly. Step 3, file a complaint immediately. Go to your nearest cybercrime cell or police station. Mention sections IPC 420 and 120B, which is cheating and criminal conspiracy. Attach every document. The higher the chance of freezing funds before they vanish abroad. Step number 4, contact Indian authorities. If you're already abroad, reach out to the Indian embassy or consulate in that country. They deal with standard student cases regularly. If you are from Kerala, you can also file on Norca portal. For everyone else, the Ministry of External Affairs helpline is active for student-related frauds. Step number 5, financial recovery options. Immediately contact your bank's fraud department. Raise a transaction reversal request. If payment was via card or international transfer, insist on a formal dispute claim. In some cases, families have even received a partial refunds when they acted within days. Step number 6, legal and support help. File a consumer court complaint for service fraud. Reach out to a legal advisor. Many states now have a free legal aid cells for student victims. And don't isolate yourself. There are online support groups that connect victims to share documents and legal guidance. Every family that dreams of seeing their child in a white coat has one thing in common: trust. That trust that fuels education. But in today's world, that same trust has become the easiest tool for exploitation. So, here's the truth. It's not enough to dream big. You also need to verify big. Before you choose a university, double check it. Before you believe a consultant, background check it. Before you transfer even one single rupee, demand transparency in writing. Because Today, studying abroad isn't just about academics. It is about survival through awareness. And awareness is power only if you stay informed before the mistake happens. The next generation of doctors will not just need knowledge in medicine. They'll need clarity in decision making. That's what I'm here to bring you through Neo Mentora. Real guidance, verified data, and a clear path forward for Indian medical students. So, if you believe that one honest conversation can save a life, not just a career, make sure you subscribe and stay connected. Because in coming weeks, I'll be exposing more real cases, breaking down NMC's latest updates, and showing you the right way to choose your medical future, both in India and abroad. Stay aware, stay prepared. And remember, awareness is not fear, it is protection. I am Sri Rohit and this is Neo Mentora. When your dream to wear the white coat meets the truth, keep it safe. Jai Hind.